Okay, so this is an OGAd accounts that I created um, recently. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your payment details to a OGAds account in order for you to get your payment out of this account, because it's not like as compared to the other platforms out there, because creating your links is even different from as compared to CPA grip. So let me go to CPA grip, CPA lead. For let's take CPA lead for instance. So I'll log into my account to show you everything step by step, because OGRs is different from all these ad platforms out there that seems like they are very simple to use as compared to OGRs. So let me log into my account and alright, so on CPA Grip account, all you need to do is to go to payments like we see right now, and you select your payment method. Like let's take it for a wire transfer. So you can see over here, all you need to do is to hit on save, and your account is not eligible for payment because there is not, we have not added any payment details into onto it. But that's not what I want to show you guys. So let me go to OGRs. When you come to payments over here, as compared to CPA grip, you can see that, or CPA lead, you can see that it's a little bit different and it's a little bit confusing out there. So if you're a newbie or you're a beginner, all you need to do is to hit on this Tipati. Okay, so you can see over here the Tipati settings. You can hit on that, and when you hit on that, all you need to do is to add your payment details or your details over here. So you need to select that you are an individual, not a company. If you're a company, you can choose that. You need to choose your country code, type in your phone number over here, and hit on next over here. So that's it, and hit on confirm and continue. So right after hitting on confirm and continue, all you need to do is to wait for the desktop or the settings, and you need to agree. Right now we are on the payment method settings, so you can choose between wire transfer, or you can tell them to hold your transfer for you. But now you need to add our wire transfer over here. So the country, the sort code over here can be given to you by your bank, and you can see you can choose between dollar and Ghana cedis. So let me choose Ghana cedis in order for me to become very simple as that. So you can see $50 when your account is only about $50. They are going to send your payments to you right now. So the sort code can be given to you by your bank. The Swift code are given to you by your bank, and you need to add your bank name, your bank account number, and all these details. And the zip code of your bank is simple, your country code. So in Ghana, I don't think any of the banks are having zip codes as compared to the advanced country. So after adding all these details, you need to hit on next. So let me add mine, very simple as that. Alright, so now you can see that I've entered my details over here. So if you are using intermediary bank over here, you can choose to add it right at this section. So you can select the bank that you want to use as intermediate bank over here. And now I don't have any intermediate bank because my bank can receive payment from abroad. So now I need to hit on this one and hit on continue or next. So I've agreed to do that. So now you need to choose between, are you a US personnel or not a US? You are not in US, so I'm not in US. I'm not a US person, so I need to be very wise over here. So you can see Richmond Kofor is an individual corporation inside the boundaries of Ghana, which principal place of business at Ghana at the street. So you need to add your street over here. So now let me type in my street over here. Bono region. Doma. Okay, so I hereby confirm. So you need to write your name at this section. So now we are done with it. So I need to hit on next because I'm not not in US. So if you are not a person in US, you need to select that. So my it has been already selected. So if you are in US, you can select that. If you are not in US, I'm not in US, so it has been already selected for me. So sorry, let me type in again. After typing in these details, I need to hit on next to done with this. So I'm done with the payment settings of my OGAds account. Now I can go back. I'm already done with it. So if you need to submit new tax form, you can click here. And if you want to view the non-US person information you submitted, you can click here. So if you want to edit anything, you can go back and edit everything on this account. So let me go back to payment history right now, and let's go to the payment settings again. All right, so let's wait for it to load. Whilst loading, guys, you can see over here that everything remains intact. Right, so you can see my bank details being listed over here and over here. So let me go back to show you something on this payment method. So let's go back again to see. So you need to hit a threshold of $200 transaction fee. Wire transfer is $25 fee. So they will deduct $25 from your money whenever you want to withdraw money from this account, but you need to get $200 before you can withdraw your money. So this is how you add payment details to OGAds. So guys, now let's go back to this session. All right, so now you can see this is our channel. You can subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon. You can visit our website over here. This is our website. You can visit to learn more about every tutorial that we do it or we upload on the channel. You can learn more, and sometimes these articles over here, some of them are not on my videos, so you can read more and make more money as compared to waiting for me to upload a video on the channel before you replicate everything. So that's it, and don't forget to subscribe. Like I said, if you are new to the channel, comment all the problems that you encounter and everything. Because of Google, you can search for everything that you need on Google. So if you want your bank code and anything, you can search it on Google and they are going to give it to you. So remember to go to the branch that you created your bank account with in order for you to get your payment done for you. As simple as that. Don't forget to like the video. Thank you very much for your time. Until I see you in my next video, don't forget that I do love you guys. Bye bye for now. See you in my next video. Stay safe and peace out. Bye bye for now.